Alright guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today's just a very brief video. We've added some common ferns around the pond area, which I'll just show you in a minute here. It is the first day of meteorological spring. Been a lovely sunny day here in Leicestershire UK. Really starting to feel it warming up. Just to show you here guys, so today I've actually added about 7 or 8 common ferns, which you can just take a look at here. And you can just see some lovely knuckles on those. I was able to source these from a job that I was on recently, and if you take a look at this one here, you can actually see it does have a bit of a trunk almost. Huge head coming out there as well. Got another one just over there, which you can see once again, almost startings of a trunk on it here, with lots of new fronds coming up in the crown. Again, we've planted another one just back here, which we'll take a look at. Really guys, with these, again, these are just your very common ferns, but again, I'm adding that into the kind of landscape, as I do kind of like how, you know, mixing of different types of species of plants. Got another one here, which you can just see. If I move the cordyline out the cordyline out the way here. Again, nice crown on that, quite thick. You can see here if I put my hand next to it, you know, we're talking a decent sized sort of crown on these. Now these were due to be dug out and chucked in the bin, so of course myself had to grab these up quickly. You can just see here, this one does have some fronds on it, but a lot of it broke in transport or was broken beforehand. So again, you know, not too fussed, it will be flushing out at some point soon. You've got another one just here, it's hard to get to, just there. As well as we've planted one here, and you can just see again, lovely crown on that one. You know, really nice good sized ferns. I believe these again should be just your common DRYOPTERIS fern. Again, these are kind of native to my area here, but with that said guys, yeah, just really wanted to show you that. You know, of course, now that we are on the first day of spring, you know, really starting to kind of get onto the jobs and you know, getting more motivation for the garden as well. Also guys, I've managed to grab a couple of the pond grasses here. Again, transplants, we'll just see if they do anything on that side. But with that said guys, yeah, now it's starting to kind of shape up. I'm starting to get an idea for this area here. Once again, gonna have lots of ferns popping out probably in the next few weeks, which will be interesting to see how that kind of fills in this area, and also will give us a good idea of kind of what to plant next to it. Again, gonna kind of keep this area as a bit of a kind of fern, kind of jungly type of area. Again, just to kind of get a nice kind of environment feeling back here. You can see guys, if you didn't catch yesterday's video, we'd actually put those rocks around there, building up this area, making it look a little bit more natural as we cross the bridge here, trying not to fall in. And you can just see here guys, quite a big planting space. I'm going to mound this up, I think, to a fairly good height. Let's just take a step back. Not falling over. Gonna mound this up to a fairly good height here. Again, I want to kind of mimic what I'm doing on the back there, so probably similar height. I'm not sure if I'm going to put like a false stream in there just to make it look like it's all part of the same feature. Once again, just ideas at the moment here guys, so certainly give us any thoughts you might have on that. But with that said, yeah, just wanted to show you, you know, even with common ferns guys, you know, they can really add a kind of nice touch alongside your tropicals. And again, you know, they should be absolutely hardy in our zones here. Be interesting to see guys when the bracken comes up that we've planted over there, another one of the common ferns. Again, just kind of dotting them around in the garden here. With the tree ferns guys, I'm going to be taking those covers off as of Monday, as it appears that we should be you know, back to the kind of warmer temperatures moving forward. Again, keep an eye on the forecasts. But with that said, yeah, just, you know, start kind of making our way towards spring here. So with that said guys, yeah, of course, thank you for watching. Of course, if you're not subscribed already, certainly feel free to do so. And with that said, we'll see you on the next one.